morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good
Today,
morning, ma'am.
good morning. Today we are going to start with lesson number 2 of geography, that is inside our earth. Now you know that we all live on our earth. Yes or no? Now,
Yes, ma'am.
what all changes,
Yes, ma'am.
how our earth is formed, plus what all changes appear in our earth, we will read about in this lesson. Clear? So we'll begin with this inside our earth. That means what happens inside our earth, what all things are present inside our earth. The earth, our homeland, is a dynamic planet. The earth, our homeland. The earth is called as a homeland. It is a dynamic planet. What does the word dynamic means? The word dynamic. Dynamic means active planet where continuously changes are appearing. Dynamic means our Earth is a active planet or continuous where continuous changes are there. It is constantly undergoing changes inside and outside. Now here it is written clearly that is constantly. Constantly means again and again means it is going under the changes even inside the earth and outside the earth. Many changes are appearing. Have you ever wondered what lies in the interior of the earth? Now the question arises. We are living on our earth, but what lies inside our earth or what is the earth made up of? These are the two main important questions which might click your mind. Now we will first do this question, that is what lies interior of the earth. Now interior of the earth, just like an onion. Have you seen an onion? Have you seen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, onion is what it is. It has many different layers in it. Onion is having the different layers, one inside each. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Just like an
Yes,
onion,
Yes, ma'am.
just like an onion, the earth is made up of several concentric layers with one inside another. Now, like an onion only, earth is also made up of several important layers which are one inside the other. Like here, this is the earth, formation of earth, and inner one layer is inside, then another layer is more inside. So this type of layers are there inside the earth. The uppermost layer, underline this, the uppermost layer of the earth surface is called the crust. Underline this. Which is the uppermost layer of the earth crust? Which is the uppermost layer of the earth crust?
Trust.
Earth
Crust.
surface.
The uppermost layer of the earth surface is crust.
Crust.
Have you underlined this? Now,
Yes, ma'am.
importance of this crust is that it is the thinnest of all the layers. So, when my question can also ask which is the thinnest of all the layers. So, the answer will be
Crust.
crust. The answer will be crust. So, it is also the uppermost and the thinnest layer. The uppermost and the thinnest layer. Clear? So, this crust, the quality is that it is the thinnest. It is about 35 kilometer on the continental masses. Now this crust is about how much kilometer? 25 kilometer.
35 kilometers.
35 kilometer on the continental masses. Continental means the continents. The land masses. Continent means the land masses. Land masses पे ये crust कितना किलोमीटर तक है? 35 kilometer.
35 kilometers.
And only 5 kilometer on the oceanic floor. और जो oceanic floor है deep inside the ocean, ये crust कितना है, कितना तक है? Spread
5 kilometers.
5 kilometers.
So now here it is shown here in the figure 2.2 that continental crust and oceanic crust. Here it is continental crust about 35 kilometer deep. Then oceanic crust starts here 5 kilometer only.
5 kilometers.
Now main mineral constituents of the continental mass are silica and alumina. Now the main mineral constituent, underline this, which are the main mineral constituents of the continental mass. It is silica
Ma'am,
and
sickle and alumina.
silica
Yeah.
and alumina.
Amina
Silica and
and alumina.
alumina. Yes,
Silica.
yes. If you want to,
Alumina.
if you
Alumina.
Silica and alumina.
yes, if you want to speak the big words, then you can break the words and then you can speak out easily. So silica and alumina. So it is the continental mass.
Mina.
Yes, the main minerals which are present in this continental mass is silica and alumina. Now these are what is silica and alumina? What are silica and alumina? They are the mineral mass. They are
Ma'am,
the
main mineral
minerals. They are the main minerals present in this continental. Clear?
mass.
Yes. It is thus
Yes,
called
ma'am.
sile, and thus it is called as sile. Together it is called as sile. Sai for silica. Silica का word silica से sile लिया है. Alumina से L लिया है. Al. तो दोनों को मिलाकर के क्या कर दिया? Together it is known as sile. So the continental mass consists of which minerals? Two main minerals, silica and alumina, together
Silica
called
and
as sile.
alumina.
Together called as sile.
Sile.
Clear?
Sile.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now
Yes, ma'am.
the oceanic crust mainly consists of silica and the magnesium. Now the oceanic crust, this was about, we have read about continental crust. Continental crust is consists of silica and alumina. Now oceanic crust consists of silica and
Magnesium.
magnesium. Yes, silica and magnesium. Now it is therefore called as Saima. So oceanic crust consists of which two main minerals? Silica and magnesium. Together it is called as Saima. Silica, Si for silica and Ma for magnesia. Together it is called as Saima. Hope it is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So the continental mass
Excuse
consists
me,
of
ma'am.
which two? Yes, Ujjwal.
Ma'am, oceanic crust, ma'am.
Oceanic crust. Oceanic means deep inside the crust also. This layer is spread up to 5 kilometer. वहां पर ओशनिक क्रस्ट में, ओशन के अंदर जो मिनरल्स हैं, मेन मिनरल्स क्या है? सिलिका एंड मैग्नीशियम, जिससे क्रस्ट बना है. क्लियर? और टुगेदर इट इज कॉल्ड एज साइमा. Just beneath the crust. Ab just beneath the crust. First we have read this, that is it is the uppermost layer of the earth. बाहरी जो लेयर है अर्थ की वो क्रस्ट है, and it is about 35 kilometer on the continental mass and 5 kilometer in the oceanic. Then we just beneath the crust. क्रस्ट के जस्ट beneath means थोड़ा सा अंदर जाकर के कौन सी सेकेंड लेयर है? कौन सी सेकेंड लेयर है? मेंटल. क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now this
Yes, ma'am.
just beneath the crust, it is mantle which extends up to depth of 2900 kilometer. अब ये mantle की जो layer है, yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम मैं ना लीव हो गई थी मैम.
तो no problem. I had admitted you again, na? Okay. Now the crust is the outermost layer, your uppermost layer, and beneath the crust, which layer is there? Mantle. क्रस्ट के अंदर और दूसरी लेयर है वो मेंटल की है. एंड इट इज हाउ मच डीप? टिल 2900 किलोमीटर एक्सटेंड है उसका. 2900 किलोमीटर अंदर तक मेंटल है अर्थ के. क्लियर? 35 किलोमीटर तक क्रस्ट है कॉन्टिनेंटल मासेस में, और ये मेंटल क्या है? 2900 किलोमीटर बिलो द क्रस्ट. क्रस्ट के नीचे 2900 किलोमीटर तक मेंटल की लेयर है. I hope it is clear. And yes, ma'am. After the mantle, deep inside, innermost layer, the innermost layer is the core. Innermost layer is called as the core. Deep inside the earth. This is the third layer of the earth. कौन सी layer है ये? Third layer.
Third layer.
It is the innermost where it is impossible to reach. वहां पर पहुंचना बहुत ही impossible है because it is very, the temperature is very hot. Clear? Now the side box.
Yes, ma'am.
Underline the side box also. The deepest mine in the world is in South Africa. Where is the deepest mine located in the world?
In South Africa.
In South Africa. It is about how many kilometers deep?
4 kilometers
deep. And in search of oil, oil निकालने के लिए engineers have dug the hole about 6 kilometer deep. Clear? Mine कितना किलोमीटर डीप है? 4 kilometer. But to just
4 kilometers.
just to take out oil from this deepest mine, the engineers had dug the hole up to 6 kilometer तक उन्होंने deep hole dug कर दिया है, खोद दिया है. ठीक है?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, what is mine? M-I-N-E.
Mine means ये जो बोलते खान, कोयले की खान, खादाने जो बोलते हैं, डीप इनसाइड द अर्थ, जो हम ग्राउंड मिनरल्स वगैरह जो हम ग्राउंड डिग करके मिनरल्स निकालते हैं, तो ऑयल इज ऑल्सो पेट्रोलियम एंड ऑयल इज ऑल्सो अ टाइप ऑफ मिनरल्स. तो वो हम लोग डिग करके हेलो हेलो कीप योर माइक ऑफ. सारा कीप योर माइक ऑफ. Sarah, please keep your mic off. If you want to talk, you talk to your parents or whatever you want to talk, please don't disturb here. Keep your mics off. If you want to give response, then only unmute yourself. Okay?
Sorry, ma'am.
No problem. Now, to reach to the center of the earth. Now, to reach to the center of the earth. Earth के बिल्कुल center में reach करने के लिए, which is not possible. Which is not possible. You will have to dig a hole 6,000 kilometer deep on the ocean floor. Ocean floor के ऊपर आपको 6,000 kilometer deep आपको dig करना पड़ेगा hole, तभी आप inner core में reach कर सकते हो. But it is not possible because it is very hot deep inside the earth. Clear this paragraph?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, the innermost layer is the core with the radius of about 3,500 kilometer. So, which is the innermost layer of the earth? Innermost core.
Ma'am, core.
Uppermost layer. Uppermost layer.
Ma'am, crust.
Beneath the crust. Beneath the crust. Which layer?
Mantle.
Yes.
Metal.
Okay, fine. Now it's clear. Now it is mainly made up of, now this innermost layer of the core, it is made up of which metals? Nickel and iron. Nickel and iron. So it is called, together called as knife. Together called as knife. Nickel ka Ni, nickel ka Ni, and iron is a furious mineral. Furious के नाम से उसको जाना जाता है. That is Fe, it taken for the iron. Fe word iron के लिए लिया गया है. Clear?
Yes,
Iron को furious mineral भी कहते हैं. So the central, so together the innermost layer is made up of which two main minerals? Innermost layer core is made up of which two minerals?
Nickel and iron.
Nickel and iron. Together it is called as,
iron.
together it is called as
Knife.
Knife.
NIFE, knife. Clear? Now the central core has very high temperature and pressure. This central core has very high temperature and pressure.
Pressure.
Here you can see the outer core, ठीक है, यहाँ तक reach कर सकते हैं, but the innermost core is very hot. The temperature is very high. Now rocks and minerals. I hope these three layers you have understood nicely.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Now the crust forms
Interior
only.
of the earth.
The crust forms only 1% of the volume of the earth. Now the earth, now here percentage of 3 different layers is given. The percentage, how much percentage of crust is there? 1% only. Crust is of 1% because it is the thinner most. You have already understood previously in the beginning of the lesson that it is the thinner most layer.
Yes, ma'am. The uppermost and the
Thinnest
thinnest
layer, है ना?
layer.
So how much percentage it is in the earth? The crust consists of
1%.
1%.
1%. And then 84% of consists of mantle. कितना परसेंट
Yes.
मेंटल का है? 84%.
84.
Clear, because it is 2900 kilometers. सबसे ज्यादा है ना? And 15% makes the core. Core कितना किलोमीटर तक है? 35 किलोमीटर. तो ये कितना परसेंटेज बनाता है अर्थ का? 15%.
15%.
I hope it is clear. So the radius of the earth is 6,371 kilometer. Of radius, what is the 1 mark questions can be asked on this? So don't leave the side boxes also. Suraj, keep your mic off, beta. The radius of the earth is how much kilometer?
6,371.
71. Clear? Now radius you know? रेडियस यू नो, मैथ्स में पढ़ा होगा आपने रेडियस. सेंटर से लास्ट तक. है ना, सेंटर से लेके लास्ट तक ये आपका रेडियस कहलाएगा. और अगर हम डायमीटर की बात करेंगे तो डायमीटर पूरा एंड टू एंड होता है ना, एंड लाइन तक. So here we are talking about the radius only. Radius means from center to the last. That is, Earth is 6,371 kilometers. I hope it is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now rocks and minerals. The Earth crust is made up of various types of rocks. Earth crust is made up of, जो crust है वो continental mass है, hard mass है, crust तो वो different types of rocks से बना हुआ है. Now underline this. This is a definition of rock. What is rock? What is rock? Any natural mass of mineral. कुछ भी natural mass जो mineral है जिसमें mineral matter that makes up the earth crust is called a rock. So what is rock? It is a natural mass of mineral matter. Natural mass है जिसमें proper minerals हैं, consist of minerals, and that makes up the what? Earth crust. जो earth crust form करता है, it is called as rock. Have you underlined the definition of rock?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now rocks can be of different color, size and texture. Rocks are of different color, size and texture. Different types of rocks are there. Even their color difference is there, the size difference is there. Even the quality of rocks, texture quality is also different. Now, 3 major types of rocks. Now, we will read about the 3 major types of rocks. How many types of rocks?
Ma'am, 3 types of.
Yes.
3 major.
Yes, 3. First is igneous. First is igneous.
rock.
Second, sedimentary. And third, metamorphic. So these are the what? These are the 3 types of rocks: igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic. Now, how these rocks are formed, we are going to read in this further paragraphs. Now, before going to the further paragraphs, side box, word origin. Igneous is a Latin word. Igneous is a Latin word. Ignis, Latin word ignis से लिया गया है ये, meaning fire. Igneous word कौन से word से लिया गया है? Original word is ignis, which means fire. Sedimentary is also taken from the Latin word sedimentum. Latin word sedimentum, it means settle down. Clear? And metamorphic is a Greek word. It is taken from the Greek origin, metamorphose. that meaning change of form. Meta
Change of
morphomes. Meaning क्या होता है इसका metamorphosis का? Change of form.
Change of form.
Change of form. Now understood the three meanings of the
Yes,
meanings
ma'am.
of the three rocks.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
अब meanings आप अगर clear है आपको, then it will be easy for you to remember how these rocks are formed. Now, can you imagine lava come out from the volcanoes? Lava is actually fiery red molten magma. Now, this is the definition of lava. Underline this. What is lava? Lava is actually fiery red molten magma coming out of the interior of the earth on its surface. This is the definition of lava. Lava क्या है? It is fiery red molten magma. Molten magma means? Molten means liquid form, है ना? पिघला हुआ form.
Yes, ma'am.
पिघला हुआ form है and it is coming out from the interior of the earth, जो कि interior deep inside earth से बाहर की तरफ on the surface निकल रहा है, आ रहा है. Then it is a lava. Clear? What color it is? Fairly red. What? Deep inside. Deep. Yes, deep inside. And it is which color? Fiery red color. Now when this molten, now coming to the igneous rock. ये लावा बता दिया कैसा लावा फॉर्म होता है. फिर when this molten lava comes on the earth surface, जब ये molten lava वोल्केनो में से ये लावा निकलता है, when it comes from the deep inside the earth.
मैम जैसे ही वो ठंडा होता है मैम वो सॉलिड बन जाता है.
Very good. It rapidly cools down. जब वो सरफेस की तरफ आता है, अंदर से सरफेस पर आता है, with the pressure of atmospheric pressure and all, it cools down. ठंडा हो जाता है and when it cools down, it solidifies. वो सख्त हो जाता है. पहले मोल्टन फॉर्म में था, पिघले हुए ठंडा हो जाता है. Yes. As soon as it comes out, it cools down और जैसे ही cool होता है वो ठंडा होकर के solid होने लगता है and it takes the form of igneous rocks. It rapidly cools down and becomes solid. Rocks formed in such a way on the crust are called extrusive igneous rock. Now, igneous rocks are also of the two parts. First, wait, we were here now. We have read this paragraph.
Yes. No, ma'am. We have to read.
We have to read. When the molten magma cools, it becomes solid. Yes.
मैम टीवी एंड मैम सीरियल्स में मैम ऐसा क्यों दिखाते हैं कि मैम जब भी लावा बाहर निकलता है तो मैम वो माउंटेन्स में से निकलता है.
हाँ, माउंटेन्स के माउंटेनियस एरियाज के बीच में से वो लावा फूट करके निकलता है वॉल्केनो के रूप में, एकदम से प्रेशर से. क्लियर? सो व्हेन द मोल्टन मैग्मा कूल्स इट बिकम्स सॉलिड. जब मोल्टन मैग्मा कूल्स हो जाता है, ठंडा हो जाता है, इट बिकम्स सॉलिड. रॉक्स दस फॉर्म्स आर कॉल्ड इग्नियस रॉक. अब ये मोल्टन मैग्मा क्या निकल रहा है और सॉलिड हो गया है बाहर निकल करके, देन इट इज कॉल्ड एज इग्नियस रॉक. और जब वो सॉलिड हो गया है, द रॉक विच इज फॉर्म्ड इन दिस वे, इट इज कॉल्ड एज इग्नियस रॉक. इग्नियस रॉक इज ऑल्सो called as primary rock. Igneous rock is also called as primary rock.
Primary rock.
Because it is the first stage. As soon as the magma is coming out, जो rock form हो रहा है, उससे cool down होकर के solid form ले रहा है, तो वो igneous rock है. That is why it is a primary rock. Clear? Now this igneous rock is again divided into two parts: intrusive and extrusive. Intrusive and extrusive. Now, as the name indicates, intrusive means interior, extrusive means external part, clear, outer part. Now, अब हमने ये देखा लावा जब बाहर निकलता है, जब वो settle down कहाँ होता है? Come out on the earth surface, it solidifies there on the earth surface. Then जब वो बाहर निकल कर आता है, that it is called as extrusive igneous rock. अगर वो लावा बाहर निकल के फॉर्म हो रहा है, then it is called as extrusive, बाहर, externally.
Extrusive.
Clear? And they have a very fine grained structure. They have a very fine grained structure. बहुत ही fine पार्टिकल्स होते हैं इनके. एन एग्जाम्पल इज बेसाल्ट. एक्सट्रूसिव इग्नियस रॉक का एग्जाम्पल क्या है? basalt. Clear? Basalt is a type of igneous rock. The Deccan Plateau is made up of basalt rock. Example is given. Have you heard about this Deccan Plateau?
Yes, ma'am. Deccan Plateau.
Yes. This Deccan
Yes, ma'am.
Deccan Plateau is made up of which rock? Basalt rock only. That is, in one way we can say igneous rock only. Clear? Now sometimes the molten magma cools deep inside the earth. कभी कभी अंदर ही वो deep inside the earth ही cool होने लगता है. But it takes time. अंदर वैसे ही गर्म है पर थोड़ा समय लगता है अंदर. Molten magma cools deep inside the earth crust. Solid rocks so formed are called intrusive igneous rock. और जब वो deep inside अंदर ही cool होने लगता है तो उस टाइप से rocks को क्या बोलते हैं? Intrusive igneous rock. Since they cool down slowly, they form a large grain. और अंदर की तरफ वो cool होते हैं and it takes time for them to cool down. That is why the grains are large. So intrusive igneous rocks के grain क्या होते हैं? This is the major difference. It cools down deep inside the earth. It cools down outside the earth surface. Clear? Then the grains are here. They are fine grains. Extrusive के यहाँ पर intrusive के large grains होते हैं. I hope it is clear. Granite is
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
now for intrusive example is granite. Granite is an example of such rock. Grinding stone used to prepare paste, powder of spices, grains are made of granite. Granite से ये सब चीजें paste, powder वगैरह जो बनता है ये granite को grind करके बनता है. Clear? I hope
Yes, ma'am.
clear. So
मैम मुझे इस सेंटेंस में ग्रेन्स का मतलब समझ नहीं आ रहा.
grains means particles, बेटा, small particles, दाने. Clear? Okay, now we will continue
मैम
with the lesson.
मैम fossils का मतलब क्या होता है?
किसका? Hello.
मैम मैंने fossils.
Fossils बेटा we will come in our next class.
हम
Fossils
आपने
will-
ग्रेन्स का मतलब क्या बताया?
particles, small particles. Grains का मतलब small particles. दाने in हिंदी में छोटे छोटे दानों को भी बोल सकते हैं ना? Particles.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now the next fossils are the remains of dead plants and animals, but clearly more in detail we are going to talk in our next class about this. Clear? So today I make up an end of our class here only till this. Yes, you can type it in the chat box and then you can leave.
Yes, ma'am.
In our next class, we'll continue with this lesson. And try to complete the work in time as soon as I'm giving the... Yes, beta.
मैम चैट बॉक्स में लिखा हुआ है कि मैम सीमा स्वेन इज नॉट इन दिस मीटिंग.
No, ma'am. नो मैम ऐसा कुछ नहीं आ रहा है.
अच्छा, तो कोई बात नहीं. किसी के आ रहा होगा, किसी के नहीं आ रहा होगा.